Hello everyone, and welcome to Design My Home SA. I'm Sammy, creative designer, here as a team at Design My Home SA with my colleagues. We specialize in bringing dream homes to life through our innovative 3D design services now. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Liz, one of our talented designers who will walk us through the incredible home we've designed for our client Thoko. Liz, take it away. Thank you, Sammy. Hi everyone, I'm Liz, and I'm here at the site of Thoko's designed house home to give you an exclusive look at the layout we've designed. Let's start with the basics. Moving inside, we have two cozy bedrooms, each designed with comfort and style in mind. We have a sleek and modern bathroom, conveniently located near the main entrance for guests and residents alike. And of course, we can't forget about the luxurious master bedroom. This tranquil retreat boasts an ensuite with not one, but two bathrooms, as well as a spacious walk-in closet. As you can see, Thoko's house features a spacious storage room, perfect for keeping belongings organized and out of sight. Next, as we move towards the heart of the home, you'll notice the seamless flow of the open-plan kitchen. Dining and living area. Perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying quality time with family and friends. For moments when Thoko desires privacy, we've included a second living room, providing a cozy sanctuary away from the main hub of activity. Finally, we have a beautiful veranda where Thoko can relax and unwind, as well as a spacious double garage to accommodate their vehicles and storage needs. And there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning home we've designed for Thoko. Thank you, Liz, for that fantastic tour. It's truly inspiring to see the creativity and attention to detail that goes into every project here at Design My Home SA. Stay tuned for more from our team.